Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Happy Cinco de Mayo, y'all. It is Cinco de Mayo when y'all get this video. It's actually the day before. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to head to work, but I'm going to make my favorite Mexican dish, barbacoa. Authentic barbacoa. Just like they make it in Mexico. In the food trucks anyway. Y'all know I love barbacoa. Y'all know every Saturday morning, pretty much, every other Saturday morning, I go to my favorite taco truck and I get me barbacoa tacos. But I also know how to make it myself with a little tip from them how they do it. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. I'm going to set it in my slow cooker here with the Instant Pot. I'm going to set it on slow cooker mode. I'm going to set it for 12 hours. So while I'm at work, this thing going to be slowly cooking and gonna be the most amazing stuff when I get home from work here. So hold on just a second. I like to spray my Instant Pot, y'all. This is something I've learned to start doing. They don't stick, but I try to I always do that. I just a habit I do. I like to spray the bottom of it. But anyway, I'm gonna put this in the pot here. What I have here is cheek meat, beef cheek meat. That's the real meat that they use for barbacoa, is beef cheek meat. You can get this in, I get this in Kroger's, in the meat section over there. You can go to your Mexican meat markets if you have one, and they'll definitely have it. I have 3 pounds of beef cheek meat. I'm gonna put in here. I already washed it off. And I'm not gonna trim the fat or nothing because I like the fat on mine. If you like a little less fat, you can trim it off. But fat what gives it the flavor, so I'll leave the fat on mine, y'all. You can trim it if you want. I'm gonna put a couple of onions in here. I'm just kind of, kind of rough chop them. Throw them in there for a little flavor. You don't have to put onions, but that's what my favorite taco truck guy says. The lady, she does the barbacoa. So every time she make it, she think about me. I got a little Worcestershire sauce in here mixed with water. That makes it evenly distributed. You don't need much water to this at all because there's so much fat on this, y'all, that you don't need it. Bay leaves. Put about 2-3 bay leaves in here. Put one more. They're so small, y'all. All right, bay leaves and salt and pepper. I put 3 teaspoons of salt and pepper per pound. This 3 pounds of barbacoa, y'all. So I'm gonna use about 3 teaspoons, I'm sorry, of salt and pepper. That's all you're gonna need for this. Put a teaspoon per pound. I already remember that. And one more. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do, y'all. Now, I'm going to set this for 12 hours. Move this over here. Y'all see how much liquid I put in there? None at all. Close this up. Set it on, let me see here, slow cooker. Normal. Let me go up to 12 hours. That's it. Well, it'll be 12 hours later when I get home. I'm going to have the awesome aroma of good old barbacoa. So I'll be back later this afternoon. When I get home, we're going to open this up and I'm going to show you the most juiciest, tenderest, flavorful meat I ever tasted. Like I say, y'all, barbacoa is a meat. it's just amazing. The flavor and taste of it. And I'm going to put me some onions, cilantro, some tomatoes. And I'm going to use some Louisiana hot sauce. Most time they use that real hot sauce, but I can't take that. And I like mine on flour tortillas. Some people use corn tortilla. I'm using flour tortilla. But we'll be back later this afternoon. Happy Cinco de Mayo, y'all. And we'll show you how it is. We'll be back. All right, y'all. We are back here. I am home from work. I've been home about 20 minutes here. I took a shower. Also took time to chop up me some cilantro and onions. And some tomatoes. I got me some hot sauce here, so I'm ready to open this up and see what I got here. I got me some flour tortillas I'm going to warm up here in a second, so we're going to open this up. Oh, wow, look at this goodness in here, y'all. Look at this goodness in here. Let me move this up where y'all can see in here, y'all. See what I got in here. It's 12 hours, ooh, man, of goodness. Let me get a little bowl here. Pour some of this out. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Just falling off the, I can't say falling off the bone, because there ain't no bone in it. It's all cheek meat. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that good meat barbacoa. I'm going to push this to the side. Got a little here, and I'm going to put a little juice in here, y'all. Because that's the key to barbacoa. You got to have the juice on there so it don't dry out. It will dry out if you start shredding it. So I like to keep a little juice in here. Wow. You know that juice got flavor. Okay. Like I said, I got my tortilla over here. I'm going to put my tortilla up here. We're going to make one of these here. And we're going to see how it tastes here. Let me back up here a little. Okay. Look how tender this is, y'all. Look how tender that meat is. Look at that. That's all flavor. I'm telling you, barbacoa is my favorite. If I go any time I go to a Mexican restaurant, I'm always order barbacoa. Always look for it on the menu. Okay. This aside, we got my tortilla here. I'll put me some barbacoa in here. Oh wow, look how, oh man, it's so tender, y'all. So tender there. That meat just coming off of there. Look at that, y'all. That's the cheek of the cow, of the beef. That's so tender if you cook it properly. So tender, y'all. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a couple of these. I'm gonna do a thumbnail, and then let me make a couple of these. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make 3 of them. Make 3 of these things. I'll make a thumbnail, and then we'll be ready to dig in here. Oh, wow, that meat is, all this meat is up in the bottom of this thing, y'all. It's just amazing what this made. Put this over here. I'm gonna stack them all next to each other here. Give me this one here, put up against this one. Maybe I'll just make 2, huh? Put that over there like that. I'm gonna get my tongs. I can work better with the tongue, yeah. Definitely. My tomatoes on here. My onions and cilantro. Let me do one more. And we're gonna be ready to eat here. I've been waiting on this all day long, y'all. This meat over here where y'all can see it. Oh yeah. Setting up there. Ain't go wrong with this, y'all. Barbacoa, Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. You know, and I'm loving my Cinco de Mayo. Yes, sir. This on here. Y'all see I got them big tortillas. I like a little fat on mine too, y'all. You know, this stuff is so flavorful. Okay. Put more tomato. And I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Gotta make the thumbnail, you know. And I'll be right back in just a second. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay. Get a little hot sauce on this. We're gonna try this one out right quick. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Like I said, I got that big old tortilla here to hold a lot of meat. Let's see how we did. Man, see how juicy that is? Oh, wow. That's good, y'all. I'm gonna show you again how tender this meat is. See how tender that is? Not tender, it's juicy and flavorful. I've been cooking for 12 hours. So good, y'all. Simple recipe. Like I said, all I did, 3 pounds of meat, 3 teaspoons of salt and pepper, 3 bay leaves, a little water, Worcestershire sauce, that's it. Tender juicy in this. I'm telling you, this is my favorite comfort food at Mexican restaurant. This is it. But anyway, I hope y'all have a happy Cinco de Mayo. Get out and get you some Mexican food today. I'm going to close this video out. If you like my video, please comment, please subscribe, please like. Give them thumbs up, helps a lot. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. See y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Happy Cinco de Mayo.